Welcome to Designing Spaces Think Green, a special edition of the show that's all about you, your space, and living the green lifestyle. I'm Debbie Marie, filling in for Ted Brenson. We're here at the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center in Boca Raton, Florida, where research is going on to ultimately help sea turtles' survival. Our survival hinges on our environment, much like the enclosed environment here maintained in this tank. It ultimately helps us all live healthier lifestyles, both for those who inhabit the land and the sea. Designing Spaces believes it's time to take care of our home, the ultimate living space, our planet. So let's get started and think green. It's really fascinating to be able to watch marine life through specially designed windows. Windows and how they're made can really affect your home's energy efficiency. Replacing windows in your home can make a big difference. Energy Star rated replacement windows can lower utility bills by up to 15%. For more information, we go to Columbus, Ohio.
With many homeowners staying in their houses at a time when the real estate market is down, they are turning to home improvements that can have the most impact. The windows on your home have a major impact on the energy efficiency of your home, and replacing the windows with the right glass can affect everything from your floors and furniture to your utility bills. Think Green looks at high-performance windows. This home is undergoing a transformation. New windows. Not only will they look nicer and give the home an upgraded appearance, but the windows they're replacing now don't insulate well between indoor and outdoor environments. Energy Star rated replacement windows can reduce utility bills by up to 15%. These high-performance windows going into this home contribute to lowering the home's carbon footprint. Think Green met up with Tim Clancy, ClimaGuard Glass Product Manager at Guardian Industries, to show us what's different about these windows. Other than the fact that these new windows look nice, what is it that makes them so special?
Thanks, Nicole. Great question. They do look great. These are good-looking windows. But besides the fact that they look great, they're also very energy efficient. And the glass itself is the biggest contributor to that energy efficiency and a great, comfortable indoor environment.
Now, what is it that actually makes this window different from the windows that they're currently replacing?
If we talked about high-performance windows 15 years ago, we really would have had a discussion about whether these windows had 1 or 2 pieces of glass in the window. Today, windows commonly have 2 or even 3 panes of glass in them, but more importantly, today's windows have low-E coatings in them. These low-E coatings, or low emissivity coatings, can reduce the energy loss by up to 50% versus a window without the low-E coatings.
These coatings work by slowing the transfer of heat through the window by reflecting radiant thermal energy, or heat. So in the winter, radiant heat produced within the home is reflected back into the home. In the summer, the sun's radiant heat is reflected outside, keeping the home cool.
These windows contain ClimaGuard Low-E glass by Guardian Industries. Guardian is the largest manufacturer of flat glass in North America and one of the largest in the world. Therefore, they're always at the forefront of the science and technology behind these low-E coatings.
Producing this Guardian ClimaGuard glass is a 2-step process. Silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and a few other ingredients are combined at temperatures around 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit to form molten glass, which is then slowly cooled to form glass sheets. The glass sheets then run through a sputtered coating process that applies the low-E coatings by laying down many microscopic layers of elements, such as silver, silicone, and other elements designed to provide the perfect thermal and durability properties. Thanks for giving our viewers a better idea of what goes into actually producing this glass for these energy-efficient windows. You mentioned choosing coating based on climate, so how does this actually benefit the homeowner?
With all the advancements in the technology that goes into these ClimaGuard Low-E coatings, we can now essentially tune the window based on the region that the home is going to be in. We can focus on the 3 main criteria in choosing a window. One is U value.
U value is the measure of how fast heat can move through a material. The lower the U value, the better.
The second is solar heat gain, which is the resistance of the sun's heating rays from coming into the home and redirecting them outside. And then the third one is light transmission, or how much of the daylight can come into the home.
Here in Columbus, Ohio, these windows will see both cold winters and hot summers. Therefore, a product with a low U value and a fairly low solar heat gain, but balanced with a higher light transmission, is the best choice.
Understanding U value, solar heat gain, and light transmission will definitely help a homeowner find the right window for their home. And those values can be found right on the window sticker.
For those who don't want to spend the time researching these numbers, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has done the homework for you. The EPA runs the Energy Star program for windows, which qualifies windows based on meeting high energy efficiency guidelines for specific climate zones.
Many window manufacturers today do use ClimaGuard Low E glass, but if there's any question, you can look for the logo on the glass itself, or you can just ask your contractor to get in touch with the window manufacturer.
Tim, thanks so much for joining us on this episode of Think Green.
Nicole, thanks for having me. It's been great.
For more information, visit climaguardglass.com on the web. To see this portion of the show again, visit designingspaces.tv and simply click on the video. You'll also find a link to the ClimaGuard website.
We all want clean water and healthy ecosystems. We all want to lower the cost of living and run more efficient households. The new technology is here now, improving our lifestyles and environment. Let's keep moving in the right direction towards a healthier world. For Designing Spaces Think Green, here at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center in Boca Raton, Florida, I'm Debbie Marie. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.